In this video, I show you how to create this text animation that you see on the screen. Let's go. Let's start by creating a new composition. We will be using the settings and we can give it a different name. Click OK, and then we want to create a solid. So right click here, go to new solid, and then name this BG. And this is the color code that I'm gonna be using for this. So click OK. In case you want to follow along, use that also. And now I'm gonna go to effects and presets while having the layer selected, and then type in Venetian blinds. So it's under transition, double click on it to add, and then I change this transition completion to 5, direction to 45, and then we want to select ellipse tool. So go here to, this might be a rectangle tool for your case, and then go here, click and hold, and then choose ellipse tool. And then double click on it here, so it creates a mask like that, and then we select the layer, press M twice to get this mask options, and then change the mask feather to 1K, so we get a vignette effect like that. Now we want to add a text to this, so go to horizontal type tool and click here somewhere and then type in your text. I'll select the second one and then drop the size a little. So this is left aligned. Make sure to align this to the left. So go to paragraph panel and then make sure to align it to the left. And then we can go to effects and presets, type in transform. So under distort, double click on it to add, and then change the skew to -10. So it has this look to it. And then we can go to effects and presets again. And now type in text bounce. Double click on it to add. So we have this type of animation. And we wanna change some settings here, so we can change this bounce character delay to -0.20. So it has this look to it. If we take a look at it, it animates from this place. We want to make it go off the screen. So I close the settings here. I open the settings, go to text, and then choose animator 1. And then we change this Y position. We make sure that it goes off the screen. And now we have this type of animation. Now I'm gonna close this extra settings. And then we want to give this a color, so go to character and then select the layer first, and then go to character, select a color. So I already prepared my color code for the text. So Ctrl+C to copy and then Ctrl+V to paste. And then we want to duplicate this about 10 times. So I'll press Ctrl+D to duplicate and then change the color of this. So I'll change it to yellow. And then I'll duplicate the other ones about 10 times. So once it is done, we select the first one and then shift select the last one, and then press Ctrl+Shift+C to pre-compose this, and then call it text shadow. Click OK. And then we go to effects and presets, type in radial fast blur. So it's this one, CC radial fast blur. Double click on it to add, and then we are gonna change we click on this icon center and then change the center point to here, and then change the amount to 80. And now we go to effects and presets again, type in fill, double click on it, and then change the color to black. We can select text shadow and then our actual text, and then press Ctrl+Shift+C to pre-compose this again, and then we can call it final text. Click OK, and we can add a zoom in animation to this. So go to final text, select the layer, press S for scale, and then set a keyframe on scale. So go to 3 seconds, and then set a keyframe on it, go to the end, and then we can change the value of it to 110. And if it's not enough, you can always increase it. So that should be it for the animation. If you like it, subscribe, it helps a lot.